Simulan po natin ang pagdiriwang ng sakramento ng binyag. Sumainyo ang Panginoon. Amen.
I forget how to breathe when your mouth whispers my name. Tell me I'm yours, tell me you're mine, never the same. I'll light up the sky for you. This is the perfect day. This is the perfect day. I wanna make it last forever. I wanna make it.
Bilang masayang pagsalubong sa bagong kasapi ng ating simbahan sa bagong binyagan, ay pasalubungan natin si Amiri ng masigabong palakpakan.
This is the perfect day.
Welcome to the Christian World, Amery. We love you.
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let them.
We are blessed to have you and blessing yung araw na to kasi ginather tayo lahat ni Lord dito. Ayun, bilang parent na rin, sana laging hiling lang sa anak is yung maging healthy, huwag sakitin, gano'n. Tapos maglumaking mapagmahal sa magulang.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life.
Welcome to the Christian World, Mary. Makikang mabait and always nakikinig sa mga magulang mo. And enjoyin mo lang yung paglaki at mag-aral ng mabuti. And always makikinig sa magulang.
It's the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I just wanna spend.
Lumaki kang center si God, God-fearing of course. And then, lumaki siyang mabait, and then, maging magalang sa kanyang parents. So, andito lang si Ninong, and willing kaming gabayan.
We struck gold in the shining light, and it's all.
Stay healthy at mahal ka ni Ninong.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life.
Sa akin, ang gusto ko siguro sa kanya is stay educated in the future and stay happy. Yun yung gusto ko for him.
Lumaki siya sa masayang family. Tapos, ayun, maging healthy rin lagi, kagaya ng mga kapatid niya. Ayun, maging mabait na bata.